Imagine making thousands of dollars online using AI tools, without spending a single penny. Sounds too good to be true? Well, in 2025, AI is creating massive money-making opportunities. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start an AI-powered business with zero investment. Stay with me till the end, and I'll share a bonus AI tool that can make you money in just minutes. AI is revolutionizing industries, content creation, automation, e-commerce, and even social media. The best part? You don't need to be a programmer or tech expert to profit from AI. With free AI tools, you can start a profitable business from your laptop today. Business idea: AI copywriting and blogging. Use ChatGPT, copy.ai, or Jasper AI, free trial, to generate blog posts, social media content, and ad copies. Sell AI-generated content on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Offer SEO-optimized AI content to businesses that need blog posts. Pro tip: niche down. Focus on email marketing, product descriptions, or social media ads to stand out. Business idea: AI video content for YouTube and social media. Use Pictory AI, InVideo AI, or Runway ML to create faceless YouTube videos. Use 11 Labs AI for AI-generated voiceovers. Sell AI-edited videos to content creators and businesses. Pro tip: AI video making is booming. You can start a YouTube automation channel and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. Business idea: AI chatbots for businesses. Use ManyChat, Chatfuel, or Tidio to create AI chatbots. Sell chatbot automation to local businesses, e-commerce stores, and startups. No coding required. Just drag and drop AI workflows. Pro tip: offer a free demo chatbot to businesses and upsell premium features later. Business idea: AI social media management. Use Okoya, Predis.ai, or Canva AI for automated social media posts. Manage Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn pages for small businesses. AI can create engaging content, auto-generate hashtags, and even schedule posts. Pro tip: find clients on LinkedIn or Facebook groups and offer a 7-day free trial. Bonus business idea: AI affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools like Jasper AI, Pictory, or ChatGPT Pro and earn commission per sale. Use TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Medium blogs to review AI tools. Monetize with affiliate links, brand sponsorships, and ads. Pro tip: choose high-paying AI affiliate programs to maximize earnings. Now you know 5 AI business ideas that require zero investment. But success depends on taking action. Start by picking one idea, test free AI tools, and launch your first project. The future of online business is AI-powered, so don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Comment below which AI business idea you're going to start first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI money-making strategies.